about these? These Air Max 270s are fire. In my opinion, these Air Max 270s are dope. Kids section, so I don't know how big this size goes, but this one's pretty dope. Let me know if you guys agree. It's a 120 price point. They might even have these in men's sizes. I just happen to be looking at the kids size. Maybe I passed it up. Very, very dope though. That purple with the little hint of that like turquoise in there. Black Air Max bubble. Very, very dope colorway. I like this a lot. This stood out to me once I saw it. Like, let me go get this on camera. You dig? Let me know your thoughts on these. These Nike EXP X14. What do you guys think about these? These just dropped over the weekend or today or yesterday. I'm not sure. It's Saturday technically. I don't know if they came out today, Thursday, or Friday. I'm not sure. The shoe is pretty dope though. I think I showed you guys this in another vlog. I'm not too sure, but I think that store released them pretty early. Sometimes stores get confused, man, and they release them early. The dates change on them, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure I showed you guys these in another vlog. Probably, you know what, it was at the Shoe Palace on Hollywood and Highland. I'm telling you, if you guys want some shoes, maybe preferably early sometime, go to Hollywood Shoe Palace. You might find that real heat. But tell me what you guys think about these Nike EXP X14, $120 price point. They got them in two colorways, that one and this one here. Both of these are pretty cool. This one's a lot more subtle, black, white, and gray, pretty much 3 colors used. I think I like this other one a little bit better. Even though black and white's more simple, you can go with more, but I think I like this one a little bit better. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys agree with my opinions, right? These D-Rups just came out. They're fairly new, the waffle kind of shoes. Let me know what you guys think about these colorways. It's like the solar red, just like we've seen with that Vapor Max. This is something by Adidas, $120 price point. They have all the colorways that just came out. This one's new, the triple black, and then the white. Let's go ahead and pull out the triple black. I mean, it's a triple black shoe, but it looks cool, right? It looks much better than the last D-Rups. What do you guys think? Maybe get a different color shoe just to tell the difference in the shoes. Pretty much the same style, same format. Lacing, same style of the shoe, same. For some reason, the bottom looks maybe a little thicker. I can't really tell, but let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below. Adidas D-Rup. Wow. Tell me your thoughts on these. I've never seen these Westbrooks. Are these, what kind of edition are these? Like a special edition or what? Fill me in the comment section below. $125 price point. They normally go for $120, so this definitely must be a special edition. That 3M is pretty crazy, almost like a camel 3M over there. You guys agree or like these or not? Let me know. Not bad. When the light is off of them, so that's what it looks like when the light is shining on them. And then when the light is off of them, let me show you. And you guys see when you see it without 3M, no shine. Looks kind of like just like off-colored with white. I don't know. You see the little something on there to make you think there's something going on with the shoe. But without the light, you can't even see the 3M. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think about these RSO Game Pack Pumas. Multicolored, crazy midsole. This is a copper drop. Let me know about these in the comment section. I want to know your opinions on these. They don't look too bad. Got a whole bunch of numbers, whole lot going on with these shoes. I'm low-key good on them. How do they compare to the Spectras? Almost the same style of shoe, maybe a little bit more bulky. Whole lot more going on to the shoe by the colorways, the patterns. Got the leather materials. The stitching looks really good on these. Design is not bad. Tell me what you guys think about these in the comment section. Honest opinions. Are these a copper drop? Let me know. 120 price point, not bad. Not bad at all. What do you guys think about these slides? Let me know what you guys think about these slides. These are Adidas slides, indeed. Summertime slide for the summertime vibes. Then they have like some cork slides. Not bad at all. I'm on the women's side, so these might just be lady slides. You know, slides are usually unisex, but this all going on, maybe some female stuff. I don't know. Any guys out there that will rock some of this, let me know. No judgment, just asking. What are these? Nike slides. Those look way more like female slides than the other ones do. We got some suede kind of material slides. Okay, $60 price point. Then you got the black cork ones to go with the white corks. Are you guys rocking your slides or still rocking your shoes this time of year? Going to the beach and stuff like that? What are these for women? Some dual tone racers. Okay, I thought these were dual racers. I'm like, they look a little different. Female colorway. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Pretty fire, right? Got these Nike Freeze. Just do it. Copper drop. What's the price point on these? $100. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. The feedback is very important. Let me see. They have a little bit of selection of Vapor Maxes. These are fire. I saw these at the Fox Hills Mall at the Foot Locker. They're on display. I don't know if these are sold out. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Is this a cop or pass? It's like that solar red with like that yellow orange on the back. 3M, typical Vapor Max. This colorway is fire though. For some reason, this colorway to me is screaming exclusive. So let me know in the comment section if you guys find out before I do. How limited is this one? Is this a limited or general release? This Foot Locker here in Sherman Oaks sometimes get limited shoes, but not as often. So I want your help on that to let me know how exclusive those are or not. So you've seen this colorway, not bad at all. Typical black and white one, of course, and then the maroon one. These are all dope. Vapor Maxes are never gonna go anywhere for any time soon. At least for the next 2 years, Vapor Maxes will be popping, will be a top of the line shoe. $190 price point, $190. Was this one $190 also? All of them are $190, but this one right here, let me know. Fill me in. Thoughts, opinions, comments, suggestions. This Vapor Max is color. It's pretty fire. Pretty fire. Tell me what you guys think about these. I wish that whole bottom was Boost Cloud Foam, Fit Foam. What do you guys know about these shoes? What do you guys like about these shoes? The Cloud Foam. I have been hearing about this a little bit more lately. Don't know how it compares to Boost or React, but if you guys do, let me know in the comment section if this is something you guys have in your collection or not. Something that you would put in your collection or not. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't know the price point on these. Look like they might be like $120 though. Let me know what you guys think. I actually couldn't wait to get my hands on these to show you guys. This is the latest Nike React. You gotta love that red Boost. None of the React have a different color Boost, I think, besides the black one. This one is fire. Let me know if you guys went after this Epic React or not. Nike Epic React with the fire red, fuchsia red Boost. Very dope. Just dropped today. Today or yesterday? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Are these a cop or not? Should I review these? I really want to. I might get my hands on these just so you guys can see that in detail, you know what I'm saying? Fire shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these Epic Reacts, you dig? Here is some information for you guys. You might want to know that they do have. I'm at Finish Line. They currently have these Lebrons on sale, 25% off. They got the Kyries, the 41 for the ages. I know a lot of you guys like this one, also on sale for $99, as well as the Obsidians, $99, I think with 25% off also. So some of these shoes are definitely on sale now. PG1s, only 64 bucks, 69 bucks for those. Look at these, pure platinums, 89 bucks. So some of the Shoe Palace, I mean, this is a Finish Line inside the Sherman Oaks Fashion Square Mall. A lot of these have dropped in prices. You see the Soldiers are on sale for now, 89 bucks. These ones, 99 bucks with 25% off. These are the KD Tray 5s. People have been asking about this shoe. 25% off at a $98 price point, $79 price point. Very nice. Very, very nice. You guys see this whole section right here? Things are on sale. If you guys want, come down here, check it out, see what they got. They might have something you like. A lot of people like these KD Tray 5s. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Very nice shoe. And then they have these 270s. Air Force 270s now on sale for $129 as opposed to $160 price point. So let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below, you dig? Durants. These Durants on sale, 25% off. Let me know what you guys think about these. KD 10s on sale. Then you have the KD Tray 5s in a different colorway. We saw these at the other location in a different colorway, totally different colorway. What do you guys think about the black and white colorway? Very, very dope, man. This is fire. I don't think we covered this one in the last video. If we did, my bad, but I really don't think so. Let me know what you guys think about the KD Tray 5. Some people have been asking about these shoes, have been asking about a review on them. I'm not gonna get to them just yet, but let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. So let me know what you guys think about these, man. I'm not even quite sure the name of them. Air Vapor Max FK Utility, I guess. Let me know what you guys think about these. These look like they might be for like some hiking, cross training, different type of outdoors situations. These look pretty fire though. We're gonna get a detailed review on these, man, at some point, because I think these are pretty cool. I want to know what it would look like if it had a red boost, or if the shoe was all black. Not Boost, but Vapor Max, you know, the Air Max at the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about these. It's a cop drop pass. Let me know. These are pretty fire though. I think they look nice. Let me know your thoughts on these.
Red Sox? No.
Okay.
Not Red Sox.
Oh, not them? Okay.
Yeah,
Fire, fire.
Sure.
And you know, it's funny because the resale on those Yeezys like we were talking about, whoo, dropped, crazy drop. People basically selling for retail. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. What do you guys think about these? Yeah, basically. And StockX, you might be able to get them like right at or a little cheaper below retail because there's so many of them.
Dude, you were returning the pair, man.
I was about to say I haven't seen anything sitting yet, but you know, maybe just I haven't been to the right store. Right.
Everybody that doesn't own a pair of Yeezys, it gives them a chance to get a pair of Yeezys, and I'm happy about that.